Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to turn images into a video using Canva AI. Firstly, go to canva.com or open the Canva app. On the home page, click on Create a Design, then select the video template from the list. Now click the Uploads tab from the left-hand sidebar and hit Upload Files to choose images from your device. Drag and drop your photos onto the video timeline. Arrange the photos in the order you want them to appear. Now, it's time to make your video shine. Go to the Text tab, then click on Add a Heading and customize the font, size and color. Click the plus icon between photos, then choose smooth transitions like fade, slide, or pan. Click on Elements, select Audio or upload your own file under the Uploads or Audio tab. Adjust how long each photo stays on the screen by selecting the image in the timeline and setting its duration. When you're done editing, click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose Download and select the format MP4 video. Then click Download to save it to your device. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.